If you speak to anyone that knows me, they'll say I only love two things. Watches and Pizza Hut. Okay, three things. I only love three things. Watches, Back to the Future, and Pizza Hut buffet. This video is where two of these loves join together. No. Not that. This. Earlier in October, Casio announced that they've partnered with Back to the Future for a limited edition watch. I knew I needed this. I mean, take a look at the interior of my car when I start it. So I signed up to get an email for when it becomes available. And then I forgot about it. Until the morning of October 21st, also known as Back to the Future Day, when I get the email. I drop everything and I rush to the Casio website, but that's where all the problems began. As every Casio fan jumped onto the site at the same time, the website slowed to a crawl, then to a stop. It seemed the servers just couldn't keep up with the traffic. So I called for backup. I got my brother to try. He got to the checkout stage, but was frozen out. Then I also got to the checkout stage, but then I accidentally clicked refresh, and then I lost it. Which brings us to now. 2 days after, and a parcel arrived from my future self. I hadn't even ordered it yet. So the first thing you notice is the box that this comes in. It mimics an old school VHS cassette and sleeve. So I've just opened it up. And it looks very, very exciting. Nothing on the back, but it's just got a little label on the front. So now let's open this up. And immediately agree with a rather light watch. It was a lot lighter than I was expecting. So this is the same model that Marty wears, but instead of a black resin, it's a polished stainless steel case and band, which is supposed to be like the DeLorean itself. So I've got a really cool macro shot for you here. And as you can see, the calculator buttons have got the time circuits display as the numbers, and then also graving of a flux capacitor on the back, which kind of really sold it to me. The calculator itself is pretty hard to use. I used to be able to use it pretty well when I had one as a kid, but now it's really difficult. But that beep is really sort of taking me back to when I used to really enjoy cheap Casio watches, because that's all I could afford at the time. And you see it's got a stopwatch, it's got a calculator, it's got dual time, it's got an alarm, and you can see at the end here it's got a Back to the Future logo engraved on it as well on the clasp. It's really pretty cool. And it looks even cooler when I'm wearing it. But there's something quite cheap looking about the plastic that the calculator buttons are printed on. But other than that, it's pretty premium. And it's a really easily adjustable watch band. Way better than the old resin straps that used to get really brittle and snap. I think I went through around 2 or 3 of them watches back in the day. And it's just, have a look at the box it comes in. It's got a little quote by Doc Brown. Your future is whatever you make it, so make it a good one. And then it's just got a list of all the functions and features. But overall, the box looks like it's worth keeping, like maybe in the back of the cupboard. I'm not going to talk about resale value because I actually want it instead of reselling it. But that's pretty much it. It's pretty much the same 30 quid watch that the old one used to be. But now I've got to go. That's all for the day, because I've got to go and send and deliver this watch to my past self so I can do the review. See you in a bit.